What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps crashing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from this screen to restart. Now after restarting your phone, the app's crashing issue will be fixed, but if you're still facing the issue, then open and close the app 2 to 3 times. So if your music app is not working or crashing, then open the app, go to recents and close it, and repeat this process 2 to 3 times, and after that the app will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go tap on this profile icon on the top right corner and then tap on settings. So tap on manage apps and device. Now tap on updates available, and from here update the app which is not working, and after updating the crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the app's crashing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.